Hello students, welcome to my channel. In this session, we will discuss a previous CAT question, a question on averages, mixtures and alligation. Here comes the question. Can you please make an attempt and then continue watching this? A trader sells 10 liters of a mixture of paints A and B where the amount B in the mixture does not exceed that of A. The cost of paint A per liter is rupees 8 more than that of paint B. If the trader sells the entire mixture for rupees 264 and makes a profit of 10%, then the highest possible cost of paint B in rupees per liter is. So we have to find the highest possible cost of paint B. Fine. Here we know 264 is selling price and profit is 10% means can we find cost price or not? Yes, when there is a profit of 10%, selling price is 10% more than cost price or 1.1 times or 110% of the cost price. But I know selling price is 264. 264 is 110% of cost price means 001124's cost price is 240. If cost price is 240, that is of how many liters? 10 liters. If 10 liters cost price is 240, 1 liters cost price is 24. So the average cost of this mixture per liter is 24 rupees. Here we have to find the highest possible cost of paint B. Let it be X rupees per liter. And cost of A is how much? Cost of paint A is rupees 8 more than that of B. So it is X plus 8. Now, when I mix them, the average cost should come to 24. What is the possible answer? Here we can straight away rule out 16. Why? If X is 16, we are assuming X for cost of paint B. If that is 16, if B is 16, A will be 24. When you mix 24 and 16, how can the average be 24? When you are mixing two different numbers, so the average is always less than the highest number, more than the smallest number, means average will be somewhere between 24 and 16. Since the average is already 24, you cannot obtain average of 24 by mixing 16 and 24 rupees varieties. So hence this is not possible. Similarly, we can eliminate 26 also. Why? If X is 26, if the cost of B is 26, cost of A will be 8 rupees more means 34. As I've just said, the average cost will be between the highest cost and lowest cost. It should be somewhere between 34 and 26, in which case it cannot be 24. So 26 is also ruled out. Now it lies between 20 and 22. Suppose if I take 20, B is 20, then what will be A? 28. 28 rupees and 20 rupees varieties are mixed such that I got average cost as 24 means what ratio these two should be mixed? These are the prices. What ratio the quantity should be mixed so that I get average price 24 means if I apply the rule of alligation 28, 24, 4, 20, 24, 4, 4 is to 4, 1 is to 1 ratio, I should mix them. A and B should be mixed in the ratio 1 is to 1. Is it acceptable? The question says where the amount B in the mixture does not exceed A. B cannot be more than A. It cannot be more, but it can be equal, no? Yes, it is possible. So this is acceptable. If this is acceptable means B20 is acceptable. But what about 22? Let us take, if I take B as 22, then A's price will be 8 rupees more 30. If the average cost has to be 24, we should mix them in what ratio means 22, 24, the difference is 2. 30, 24, the difference is 6 means 2 is to 6 or 1 is to 3 ratio, we should mix them. If I'm mixing A and B in the ratio 1 is to 3 means for every 1 liter of A, I'm mixing 3 liters of B means B's quantity is more than A's quantity, which is not acceptable. The question says the amount of B in the mixture does not exceed A, but in this ratio B is exceeding A, which is not acceptable. That's why 22 is also not acceptable. So the only answer possible is 20. So hence my answer choice is B. Thank you.